Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to control your PC with your phone. So let's get started. First go to Google Chrome browser and type remotedesktop.google.com. I will post link in description. Make sure to sign in into Google account. Here you gonna see setup remote access. Click the download button. Click add to Chrome and add extension. Now just choose a name. For now I will just name it test. Click next. Now you need to enter a PIN and it has to be at least 6-digit long. Click start and click yes to conform. After then Google will start up the remote desktop service on your computer. Okay, now that computer setup for remote desktop is done, let's move on to our mobile phone. First go to Play Store. Make sure to sign in with same Google account. Click on search. And type remote desktop. Choose for Chrome remote desktop with Chrome logo. And press install. Go ahead and open the app. Click on name that you have chosen. Now enter same PIN with 6-digit code. After then press connect. There you go, all done. Now you can use your PC from phone. Whenever you want and from wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. If yes, drop a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more.